So this is the PanelStore on a VW T5. It also fits in a T6, and it's very simple fitting. The void in the van has, I think it originally had a bit of vibration damping mat on the metalwork, so I've left that in. There is space for it. If you've got void fill in there at the moment, some fluff, you'll need to take that out because there obviously isn't going to be room with these pockets. It simply matches up with the fitting holes on the van, and little expanding poppers get pushed in. They're quite tight. The ones down in the bottom row, I found I had to hit them with a hammer just to get them knocked in. And but yeah, they hold it in very nice and tight, and I think it gives a very, very nice finish to what would otherwise just be a carpeted panel on your van.